Ryoshis Vision is on fire. But did we get enough of this? Did we pay? I wonder this. Did we pay enough attention to Ryoshi Vision? It's up 54%, but based off some of the research I gathered, this is going to continue going up. Yes, you'll have pullback days, but this has enough vision to at least kill a zero by the end of this year. And let's talk about it. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Man, I am a holder of Ryoshi Vision, but there's some really cool things that's coming out, and I'm going to show you right now. First of all, up 54%. But look at this. They are in the music. They're actually getting involved in the music industry. And I saw this on a white paper that makes me go, huh. And it goes from here. Let me go ahead and just zoom in real quick. We're working on a platform to support some of the new business models. And it says our target is to use this platform to introduce crypto to many crypto newcomers, making them Ryoshi holders from the beginning and develop their interests. Additional community amateur artists wanting to be a part of the initiative will surely be considered, and we hope to be able to support their debut in different ways. Now, you have entertainment that they're going to be involved in, and at least that's what they're targeting, at least one of the area, music, games, esports, and others. So that makes me think this, okay, they already tied in to the actual Shibaswap that it says right here. 1% of all transactions are sent to the 𝐒𝐭𝐸 holders buried on Shibaswap. And so when I go to my Shibaswap, I am seeing Ryoshi tokens being sent there when I'm burying my SHIB. This is one of my actually accounts on the Shibaswap. So I'm getting Ryoshi Vision tokens each and every single time it drops there. So that's a benefit of having Ryoshi Vision. One, it seems like they're going towards the music and entertainment industry. Two, is involved in the Shibaswap, so you get that 1%. Three, look at it, the price is going up. And four, it was one area that I was quickly looking at here, is this right here, the 14-day, 155% ROI. 10K hodlers, 73K on deck, 1 million trading volume. This happens today, actually. A YouTube channel, 64M MC, and you have 10 artists with 37, is that million? Signed on. Artists, remember, they're getting involved in the industry of entertainment. Put on your favorite song and dance. We're just getting started. And I do believe that. They're connected with different things. I kind of like the vision they're doing. They're tapping on something that it hasn't really been tapped yet, and that is the more of the music opportunity here. And you're starting to see them really move up in price. So if I go back to the Twitter page right here, I'm seeing people getting more and more involved in this. They're getting excited about it. Ryoshi Vision, Ryoshi Vision. And to me, I'm sitting here like, did we get enough when the price was much lower than this? And I'm sitting here thinking, man, I got enough. I don't know. I'm one of those people, hey, you get as much as you can and you hold on for dear life. And, you know, not financial advice, not really giving you advice, but this is actually bigger than I thought it was. I'll be honest with you. It really is. And if they can tap on this in music more consistently and really educate that platform very well with artists and give them a sense of value and then tie in games with that, because I'm seeing here our community has pushed the topic game development from the beginning. And it was no brainer that games will be in the scope of our project. See, I'm looking at some of the utilities that they're trying to do here, because that kind of thing right here in terms of projects is really going to be able to send this off. So right now, you're joining 54% of it. If they continue with the consistency, and I love the fact they're involved in the Shibaswap, which was definitely a good move, because then now people are holding Ryoshi Vision token just by burying their SHIB. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Are you too late? Did we get enough? I don't believe we're too late. You know, a pullback obviously will come, but for me, I'm enjoying what I have and I'm looking to add more later on down the line. So no, I don't think it's too late, to be honest with you, because it hasn't really taken off, but you are seeing some gains based off this information right here of the 14-day percentage of the day. And I'm just enjoying this. Just look at this ROI of 155%, 10,000 hodlers and growing. If you want to get involved in Ryoshis Vision token, click on the link below, and I'll see you on the next video.